everybody, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing one of my product which I have received. I have received my foundation sometime back. It's a special day, it's a special video because it is a festival. It is Bakrid today. Yeah, I just now finished my lunch and I got my parcel and I thought why not unbox this and check this product out. So as soon as I've got it, I thought let me make a video of it and let's check how this product is. So yeah, this is the product I have received just now sometime back from Amazon, and I had purchased the foundation, liquid foundation. So I wanted one liquid foundation and for today I had nothing, so I used the BB cream and yeah, finally I got my parcel. This is the Lakme foundation, which is very budget friendly, and that gives and I've heard that this gives lovely coverage. So this is pocket friendly as well as it does the work what it is supposed to be. So I thought why not try it. Anyways, my foundation is got empty, so I need to buy one. Why not try this product this time and check this out. So yeah, since this is really very much fits into your pocket very easily. It's just about it will cost you around 108 rupees is what I have paid. So the costing of this product is 108 rupees. I have got the receipt here in the box right now in front of me. See, this is the receipt. I've got it from Amazon. Okay, let me show you the swatch of this, and this is the shade, pearl shade, which I have taken. This is the shade, nice shade actually. And when you rub this, see the coverage, you can make this out here. It spreads very easily and it covers the area very nicely. And one more thing I have noticed and is it is water resistant. See, just check this out. This is water resistant. Can you check the difference here? So this gives the coverage and coverage doesn't goes off very fast. So this is a nice coverage. I have tried this and showed you on my hand. Let's try out on my face now and I'll show you the difference there. Okay, so like you can see, I have removed the BB cream what I had applied sometime back. So here is the BB cream. I have removed it all. This is the BB cream just now I removed, and this is my actual skin texture. Here are the marks of mine, and I'm just with my eyeshadow and my lipstick right now, and I have completely removed the BB cream. I got my cup of tea and I have removed my BB cream completely. This is my actual skin texture. So yeah, this is my actual skin texture, and yeah, let's try this product and Lakme concealer and let's see. So I shall be taking some of the product onto my hand. It is very liquid in nature, very much liquid in nature. This looks a little thick and too much of thick in consistency. So the nature is liquidy, but the consistency is thick and really very well concentrated. So this is the shade I will be using it. So I have taken a bit of it. Let me apply it. I'm not applying too much because I don't want that one extra layer which covers up the face of yours and just gives. And I will not be applying it here right now because I'm just trying out this product. I'm just testing this, right? So I just want to see the performance of this product. So I will just be using in the area which will help me judge the product. I think this should be fine. Yeah, I don't want to apply more and get that. I don't want to apply more and get that chalky look. So okay, like you can see, I'll just stop it here. This is my actual skin texture, and see this. And let me do this part. Yeah, let me cover this up half so that you'll get a better idea. Okay, now you can make out. I have just applied this much. I have just gone here till here. So this is the part I have applied, and compare this part with this. I feel there is a coverage. There is a coverage here. This is my actual skin texture, and this is what I've applied. So yeah, this is the coverage part. Let me cover my full face or I'll look really very dirty. Half and half skin texture looks bad. So let me cover up my full face with the foundation. So the consistency is quite thick. The coverage is really nice. The pricing of the product is really very thoughtful and very budget friendly. And the quantity, the net value, what you shall be getting for the amount you have spent is also good enough. So okay, I think I'm done. I always land up not covering up this area very neatly, so I'm making it sure I'm covering up this area properly. Okay. Okay, let me tell you, I'm not applying it here. First, to show you the difference. Second, I am just trying out this product as a testing purpose on this video, in this video. So I'm just trying this product now to give you a better idea how this product works, so you can just make out. I shall cover up this area later after this video. So this is it. So can you make out the difference? This doesn't look very artificial. This doesn't give an artificial layer. It gives a very natural layer, natural covering, and the covering is quite decent. It is quite decent. And yeah, for 108 rupees, this product, I think it's a lovely product. See, you can make out. Yeah. Seriously, the coverage part, I am liking it. Sorry. So the coverage part, I'm liking it. I am quite satisfied with the amount what I have spent for this product, and the result what I'm getting out of this product. I'm quite happy. It is not at all giving me a artificial layered or a chalky feel. Very nice. And according to your skin texture, you have to take the shade. So yeah, a decent coverage, well consistency, good quantity, good pricing, and lovely brand. So this is a very trustworthy brand, Lakme. I have been seeing this from my childhood, and yeah, heard a lot about it, and today I tried it as well, and I am quite happy shelling out my money for this product. And for me, it's a worth buying product. If you like this video and if you think this was helpful to you, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected for many more videos on my channel.